Ali.
Before I proceed, I want to give you a quick background. But share my screen. Let me just serenade you for tonight with a love song, which I think I related to, or maybe you can relate to also. This is entitled Araw Gabi. Araw Gabi. English speakers. Araw Gabi. By Nadine Velasquez. So for our English speakers, especially our very handsome George. This song is actually about a woman who has a crush on someone, but she can't seem to, confess. She can't seem to confess to that guy. So she tries to write a song, which is this one. So, Araw Gabi means day and night. So she just wants to be with that guy. Ayan, basically. So yeah, play it, DJ Ali.
Bibiro sumulat na awitin mo sa at akong isang silaon hilwat ito sa aking panginang piano bigla do'y pilit ninaro baka sakaling ay ito bigla na lang umusbong. Saan naman kaya awitin para sa'yo? Hindi biro ang gawing sukat ang titig sa tono. Sampu manakit na siyang tayo kung ang tugma'y di wasto. Basta't isipin di magbabago damdamin ko sa'yo. Araw-gabi, nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta ka. Araw-gabi, nalalasing sa tuwa, kapag kapiling ka. Araw-gabi,
Alright. Oh, paano ba yan?